Hello, fellow Homo sapiens. Welcome to Lifers. Here is the next addition to our list. The eastern chipping sparrow. This is a subspecies of the chipping sparrow. And there are 5 subspecies total. Hopefully I can find the other 4 in the future. I just wanted to take some time out of our busy lives to share this species with everyone. Maybe it's your first time seeing it. What is your favorite bird species or subspecies? I can't wait to keep sharing new species with you in the future. See you next time on Lifers.